Hello, internet people. I'm sorry if you can't hear me very well. I'm doing this outside. Because I know that because you're on the internet, you don't get to see the outside that often. So I thought I'd do this little nature documentary to show you, yes, you, what the outside world looks like. Please be warned, this does happen in the world. This will affect you if you do not know how to take it right. Okay. This is an orange tree. Now the oranges aren't that ripe yet, but you can still see these tiny little fruit things here are soon to be oranges. That barring, well, you know what that is? That's a sheep. Let's go have a look at it now. Yes, they do have eyes. Yes, they do look at you. And that was him saying hello for the first time. This down here, this is grass. Grass is down. People walk all over the grass. The grass doesn't think it's very nice, but nobody cares what the grass says. The air. The air, that is what people breathe. You're breathing it right now, in fact. So I hope that you know how to take care of it. The way I take care of you people. By showing you what the world looks like. I hope you've had fun out here in nature.